Now then guys, welcome to another edition of One Slice Club. Today we're in Glasgow and we're doing the pizza machine. 3 minutes pizzas to go 24/7 a day. Now I hope he's not hungry and I hope you don't mind. Let's get this show on the road. You're going to create an account. Right, so I'm going to just create an account. Now just so you can see, you can't see my phone number. Now, it says I've got to receive it in text soon. Right, now we're going to go for a normal, which is a margarita. And we just want the one. And you can see how many's actually left in the machine there. So we're going to see the cart and we're going to pay for the order. Thanks for your order. You earned one piss. I've earned a piss. So, bank card. Send card. Now that's a bit embarrassing, isn't it? Are you just waiting? We'll come back. Take two. Start this again. Create an account.
You can do it without creating an account there, you know.
I don't know.
It just said there. Hang on.
Take three. You can do is continue on creating an account. You don't get no piss, right? But you can continue and get your pizza, right? So margarita. See the cart. 4 remaining. Woo! There was 3 more to go. They've just been making some in the back of the little.
You need to add it to your order.
I'm hoping it's hot. You went 85 piss. Pay for order. Bank card. Try this again. Approved. So, should I try with a free product?
Yes.
Oh, right. What we're going to do now? 1 second. My opinion matters, you see, so I've got to quickly do this. Product price. Right in between. Accessibility of the machine. Nah, you look around. It's not bad. It's alright if you're a student, and it's good. So my option doesn't matter, my opinion doesn't matter. Right? So now we are in progress. This should take 3 minutes to come out that little hole. Now I can't feel no heat. Oh, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Put the microphone close there. Bah! Anyway. Test off. 10 seconds. Hope you're waiting. Hope you're anticipating. So 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. It's in progress. It's late. I want a refund. Thing is that you think they like click over, you like get your photo booths like and it starts moving around, or even like flames just bouncing up. You don't get none of that. So, oh, ow, 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 ow. First thing I want to show you is this underneath. It gets cooked on a foul tray. Obviously, fence to get the air into it. But make sure you don't touch the metal bits. This is it. You know it's been cooked well beforehand, banged in, then heated up. It's not even cut up. So try to cut a bit off. Try the crust first, I guess. If you ever remember me doing red spoons, it's like that. This is like cracker, crunchy. That's the underside there. It's really thin. Fluffy on the inside. Let's try this again. Different bit. There we go. Got a bit there. Oh, got a bit of cheese pull. I wasn't expecting that. Tomato. Can't tell if it's tomato or cheese. It's like got like sort of a coffee taste. A sweet coffee. Like, you know when you get something off. Not worth the price. £8, £8.50 I think it was. That's got a funny taste to it. So that's got a little bit of the tomato's got like a bit of a sweetish tang. Not much of a tang to really write home about. To be honest with you, not nice. Yeah, not nice at all. So, it's ideal. You're going home from going out on the boozer. City's full of them. You want a pizza, nowhere home. Even though pizza shop directly in the street. No, it's not fish and chips. Pizza shop directly across the street. It's ideal. You got student above the houses above. Come down here, quick pizza, get back upstairs. After they've been on the woohoo, or the woohoo, or the woohoo. But £8 not worth it. Really thin, really crap. Going in the club. $5-1. And it's lucky to get there. It's just because it's a novelty. At the end of the day, how many vending machines do you know? There's a few down south which I want to try, but don't look like that. Really want to go. This is the first of its kind. So I'm happy I've tried it. The novelty's there. I don't think it'll last much, apart from students who's willing to pay £8 a pop. All I gotta say is, come down and have a try. Bang your £8 in, wait your 3 minutes. And if it tastes shit, like I say it is, you can just go here, use your bank machine, your bank card what doesn't work, and get a drink out of here. Ideal. But for now, have a slice there.